Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic REST commander tutorial how to align objects. So for example, you can draw rectangle and the second object I will draw polygons with size 5. Click from this point into here. The next I will align this edge with this edge. You can use align command, type align, press enter and select this polygon object, enter again. I will connect from this corner point into this corner and the second from this corner into here. Now you can press enter, choose no to keep the polygon size and to be automatically aligned into the selected edge. Okay, I will use again another option. We can use the yes option. So you can tap align, press enter, select the objects, enter again, and click from this corner point into here. The second from this corner point into here. Press enter again, and you can tap yes to resize the objects. Okay, that's it for basic REST commander tutorial, how to align objects. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.